Cha, 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 Igbo kwene, oe. Cha, 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 Igbo kwene, oe. Cha, 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 Igbo kwene, oe. Abia kwene, oe. Anambra kwene, oe. Ebonyi kwene, oe. Enugu kwene, oe. Imo kwene, oe. Nigeria kwezuono. Hello, friends, families, and loved ones. I'm your host, Mr. B.O., a full-fledged Igbo son and teacher of Igbo language, culture, and tradition, including general issues that affect all of us in the country. I hope we all woke up hale and hearty today. If that's the case, you have to glorify God, because I've glorified God because I'm alive today. Otherwise, I wouldn't be here if I were dead. All right, let's continue with our Igbo lesson. Just like I promised you on each lesson that I am committed to teaching you everything about the Igbo, which includes their language, their culture, and the tradition. Culture and tradition are an embodiment of the way a people live among themselves and how they interact with other people as well. All right. Now, we are going to talk about two types of vowels in Igbo. Two types of vowels in Igbo. Yes. Remember, I told you that vowels are known as Odaume in Igbo language. Vowels in English, while in Igbo language is called Odaume. Now, the vowels, also known as the Odaume, like I told you the other time, are 8 in number. Okay? So, let me refresh your memories. These are the, let me stand up. These are the Odaume. We have A, E, O, U. Okay? Then we have E, O, and O. A, E, O, U. Then we have A, E. You see that this one here is different from this one here because it has two dots, one on the top and one on the bottom. Then you can see that this one here differs from this one here. It has one dot, it has a dot at the bottom, while this one does not have, but they look alike. This one is pronounced as U, while this one is pronounced as O. This one is pronounced as O, while this one is pronounced as O. The difference is that this O has a dot on its bottom. Okay? Right. Now, there's something that I need to let you know. There are two categories of vowels. One is called heavy vowel sounds. Heavy vowel sounds. While in Igbo language is called Odaume, Odaru. Odaume, Odaru. Yeah. Odaume, Odaume, Odaru. Heavy vowel sounds. Okay. Now, under the heavy vowel sounds, you have A, E, O, U, A, E, O, U. Then the other type of vowel sounds, which we know as light vowel sounds, called or addressed in Igbo as Odaume, Odamfe. Odaume, Odamfe. Light vowel sounds. Odaume, Odamfe. Light vowel sounds. Then in the light vowel sounds, we have a, e, o, u, a, e, o, a, e, o, you can see that the sounds are lighter when compared to the heavy vowel sounds, which are a, o, u, e, a, e, o, u. They are heavier than the other ones. So now let's proceed, and I want to use the udaume, udaro, that is the heavy vowel sounds, to make some sentence in Igbo, to start some sentence, so to start some words, not sentences, words, common words we use in Igbo that start with udaro, heavy vowel sound, udaro, udaume, heavy vowel sounds. Now let's check out those words. We have for the A heavy vowel sound, we have eu, and for the A here we have eu in Igbo. Eu is what goat means in Igbo. Goat, the domestic animal that eats grass, the one we feed with all sort of domestic food, is called eu. The English name is goat. While the other one is e. The e here, you can use it to form ibe. Ibe is the name of a person. Ikechi is also a name of a person. Then we have o. You can use it to form ogechi, okechi, names of person. Ogechi, both okechi and okechi are names of person, and these names are usually born by women, the females. Okay, while ibe and the ikechi are usually born by the males, Igbo males. Okay, Uzochukwu, Uzamaka. Okay, these two names are usually born by Igbo males, but sometimes you find some Igbo females that bear Uzamaka. Then this starts with U for Uzochukwu, Uzamaka. O, Ogechi, Okechi. I, Ibe, Ikechi. E, Eu, which I tell you is the name, for goat. Okay. Now, these are just it. Then under Odamfe, we have A, E, O, A, E, O. Now look at them here. There are four. While Odaro, heavy vowel sounds. Udaume, Odaro, 4 heavy vowel sounds. And Odaume, Odamfe, light vowel sounds are also 4. When you add this 4 and this 4, they give you 8 in total. Then we have A, which the A here can give you Ago. And what do Igbo people? This Ago here means leopard. This Ago means leopard, a wild animal. Then this Epa, starting with the one that has a dot at the bottom, at the top and at the bottom. Epa means desert. That's what Igbo people call desert. That's a wide forest. Then Okochukwu. They use this O to start this word Okochukwu. And what does Okochukwu mean? Okochukwu means priest. That is the priest, the one that organizes church programs. Okay, Odum. Odum means lion in English. Okay, Odum is lion. Okay, that's the name it's called. Then Okpa. Okpa is a popular kind of Igbo delicacy prepared with a species of beans. Okay, start the Okpa by Okpa. Right now, you can see these words. they all fall under vowels. And remember, I keep telling you that vowels mean odaume in Igbo. So I've been able to tell you two types of vowels. One is called odamfe, odaaro, odaume, odaaro. The other one is called odaume, odamfe. Mfe means light. Aro means heavy. So that's it. You will see them on this when you are watching, you will understand, how all these things, how they work. Okay, their meanings. Okay. I think that's all for now. That's all for today. So when we meet again, we continue from where we start. All right. But before we go, let's sing our Abichidi, our Igbo alphabets, also known as Mkpụrụ Edemede Igbo. Mkpụrụ Edemede Igbo. Igbo alphabet. Oh yeah, let's go one more time. Abichidi efigi gwihi iji kekwekwele meni ngenwenyi uope reseshi ti viwiyeze. Again, abichidi efigi gwihi iji kekwekwele meni ngenwenyi uope reseshi ti viwiyeze. One more time. Abichidi efigi gwihi eji kekwekwele meni ngenwenyi uope reseshi ti viwiyeze. So that's just it. Like I told you, or I usually tell you, once you're able to master these alphabets, this Igbo alphabet, you'll be able to know a lot about Igbo language. You'll be able to write Igbo languages, write Igbo language, then understand idioms, make proverbs, otherwise known as adage. Then when they are met to you, you'll be able to understand them and interpret them effectively. In fact, you may be better than some Igbo natives. Okay, that's the way it works. It's not magical. Every language that does not belong to you, any language that is very foreign to you, you start to know that language by knowing the alphabets, which is the foundation. Once you know about the foundation of anything, you'll be able to conquer it. All right. Now, before I leave you, if you have any question, please go to my comment box. Drop that question there. As soon as I see it, I will be able to deal with it. Whatever the question is, to the best of my ability, I assure you that. Okay, we have to sing this song before we take off, for the day. Oh yeah, let's sing it in unison. Abichidi efigi gwihi eji kekwekwele meni ngenwenyi uope reseshi ti viwiyeze. All right, guys, catch you some other time. Bye-bye.